Hello. Today I will tell you about a great man whose journey from humble beginnings to the highest office in India is nothing short of inspiring. This is the story of Narendra Modi, a leader who has transformed the nation with his vision and determination. Welcome to English Passage, where we help you improve your English through inspiring stories, biographies, and more. Let's learn and grow together. Narendra Modi was born on 17 September 1950 in Vadnagar, a small town in Gujarat. His early life was full of struggles. He came from a modest family, and as a child, he helped his father sell tea at a railway station. But young Narendra was always curious, hardworking, and full of dreams. Even as he worked to support his family, he never gave up on education and self-learning. His schooling took place in Vadnagar, where he was known for his keen interest in debates and speeches. He was also drawn to spiritual teachings and often visited the Himalayas in search of deeper knowledge. These early years shaped his disciplined and determined personality. Modi's journey into politics began when he joined the Rashtriya Sangh (RSS) as a young man. He quickly gained recognition for his organizational skills and dedication. In the 1970s, during the emergency imposed by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Modi played an active role in resisting the restrictions on democracy. His hard work earned him a position in the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), where he gradually rose through the ranks. In 2001, Narendra Modi was appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Under his leadership, Gujarat transformed into an economic powerhouse. He focused on industrial growth, infrastructure development, and improving electricity and water supply. However, his tenure was also marked by the controversial 2000 Gujarat riots, which brought criticism but also led to discussions on governance and law enforcement reforms. In the 2014 general elections, Modi led the BJP to a historic victory, becoming India's 14th Prime Minister. His campaign, based on development and good governance, resonated with millions of Indians who were seeking change. His leadership style, strategy planning, and powerful speeches captured the nation's imagination. Major policies and achievements. As Prime Minister, Modi introduced several groundbreaking initiatives, including Digital India, encouraging technology and digital services across the country; Make in India, promoting manufacturing and job creation; Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a nationwide cleanliness drive; Ujjwala Yojana, providing free LPG connections to poor households; GST, Goods and Services Tax, a major tax reform to simplify India's taxation system; Demonetization, 2016, a controversial but impactful move to curb black money and corruption. In 2019, Narendra Modi was re-elected with an even bigger mandate. His second term saw bold decisions such as abrogation of Article 370, ending the special status of Jammu and Kashmir; Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), aimed at providing citizenship to persecuted minorities from neighboring countries; handling of COVID-19 pandemic, implementing lockdowns, vaccine development, and relief measures; G20 presidency and global diplomacy, strengthening India's presence on the world stage. Modi continues to focus on India's development, emphasizing infrastructure projects like Vande Bharat trains, smart cities, and renewable energy expansion. His leadership remains a subject of debate and admiration, but his influence on India's political and economic landscape is undeniable. Narendra Modi's journey from a tea seller to India's Prime Minister is a testament to hard work, perseverance, and vision. Whether one supports his policies or not, there is no denying that he has left an indelible mark on the nation. As India moves forward, Modi's leadership will continue to shape its destiny. Thank you for listening to this inspiring story. We hope you found this content inspiring and helpful in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more stories and content to help you grow in your English journey. Keep learning, stay motivated, and let's continue growing together.